do my best to get away from it, but it's moving pretty quickly. Oh boy. Looks like we're going to be getting some today.
booked right now. Yeah, but are there any big differences that I noticed? Not really. Not really. Yeah, we're gonna have to do some better testing on it. Honestly, the good thing at least that I do notice for sure is no check engine light again. So we managed to fix the pair valve issue on the last tune. On this one, I mean, it looks like they retained that pair valve deletes and just, I guess, calibrated a couple of the air-fuel ratios. Oh boy, we are getting soaked. Little tidbit for you guys, I actually messed up, man. I brought my GoPro on a media mod, and yeah, the media mod is not waterproof. So I done messed up. I should have just brought the plug so I could just plug the microphone to the side. But it's alright. We'll have to deal with it. And ooh, the water's cold. Okay, you know what? This is not that bad. The water is actually pretty cool. Usually it's hot rain. But with that being said, guys, let me know if I missed something down in the comments. I know I probably did. I know I probably did. Is there something that I missed to test out? I mean, to be honest, I don't know. It's gas, shifting, stop, that's about it. But if there's something else, let me know. Let me know if I should try new things in my videos. I'm still, even though yes, it's been I think it's been like about over a year now. I want to say I'm still in the experimental phase as to like what exactly I want to do with my content. Because before, it's like my earlier like beginning videos, like I just had it all about motorcycles and video games, and eventually I kind of changed it over to just motorcycle, and then I stream online because I kind of want to separate the two while I master riding. And more so because of the last video that I did, which is covering my accident that I had 1 year ago on July 3rd, and I kind of don't want to repeat that again. So it was a very horrible experience, and if something does happen, you can bet your ass I'm definitely staying there until somebody comes in and picks it up for me. But at least for now, if you like that video, hit that like. Oh my gosh, we just made it out of the rain. No way. No way we just made it out of the rain, and I am completely soaked. This is insane. But anyways, if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe, help this channel grow. We hit that 50,000, and I'm hoping by the end of the year we can hit that 100,000, and we'll see. We'll go from there. We'll see what else we can do in this channel. But until next time, peace.